Mom, can I give her? Can I give her Bubba?
You want to talk to her first?
She's a zoner.
She is.
She's zoning.
She's zoning.
She's making a zoner face. What's this crunch in her eye?
She just has a booger. Do you like having a sister?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your sister?
She looks like a boy on her hair.
She's got short hair and she looks like a boy, so that's your favorite thing?
Because look at see her hair looks like boy.
Yeah. Well, careful with her. You got her.
You gonna feed her?
You gonna feed your sister?
Yep.
Okay.
You love her?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So careful. Let her turn to it. Put it on her cheek, and she'll turn to the Bubba. No, 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 just the nipple. Put your the Bubba top. Put it on her cheek. Right next to her. Like that. And she'll turn over. She doesn't want to do it. Okay, Daddy, I'll help.
Stop now. Stop.
Now she'll see what it is and then she'll drink it. There you go.
Oh, hold it up high.
Yeah, you gotta hold it.
Are you going to be a good mom?
Yep.
Do you like feeding your sister?
Yeah.
Is she drinking good?
Yeah.
Can you burp her?
When she's done, you'll have to burp her. Are you going to be able to do that?
Yeah. Mama, this good.
That's really good. You're
Mama,
such a...
Robin's making noise.
It is? What kind of...
Squeak.
Okay, tell her you love her.